Welcome to Maas Keezhapavoor channel. I am Dr.K.Aruna. Let us see a motivational quote. Your days are better when you focus on your blessings than your problems. What are the structures present within the parotid gland? Observe the structures present within the parotid gland are facial nerve, then retromandibular vein and external carotid artery. What are the structures seen within the parotid gland? From superficial to deep, facial nerve, retromandibular vein and external carotid artery. Let us trace this facial nerve. Facial nerve comes out through which foramen? Observe this picture. This is the styloid process and this is the mastoid process. In between these two is the stylomastoid foramen. Through this foramen, the facial nerve comes out of the skull. Right. What is the first motor branch of facial nerve? The first motor branch of facial nerve is the nerve to stapedius muscle. When the facial nerve runs in the vertical part of the facial canal, it gives the motor branch to the stapedius muscle, and this is the first motor branch of the facial nerve. Stapedius muscle is one of the muscle of middle ear cavity. What is the other muscle present within the middle ear cavity? Observe this picture. What you observe here is the stapedius muscle supplied by facial nerve. What is one more muscle? That is the tensor tympani muscle. What is the nerve supply to this tensor tympani? Observe this picture. What you observe here is the otic ganglion. Now let me show you three muscles. One is this muscle. What is that? Medial pterygoid muscle. Number two, this is the tensor veli palatini muscle. And this muscle is the tensor tympani. Observe the muscle, tensor tympani. The nerve to medial pterygoid that arises from the main trunk of mandibular nerve. This nerve to medial pterygoid gives branch to the otic ganglion, and that branch will not relay in the otic ganglion. It supplies two muscles, that is the tensor tympani muscle and tensor veli palatini muscle. So at the end of the session, you have come to know that there are two muscles in the middle ear cavity. One is tensor tympani and the other one is stapedius. Tensor tympani is supplied by mandibular nerve. Stapedius is supplied by facial nerve. Let us wind up the session with a quote. Hard work matters, but smart work multiplies it. Thank you for watching.